That's not all, sir. You had people working. You had somebody working directly on that team every day they went up.
Y'all called for some
recovery assessment. No, this is beyond the scat. This is.
I'm not going to argue with you. This ain't working.
And Flackerman's agreed to that shoreline treatment.
Flackerman's. I put a girl that works for the parish on the boat because we were called on Sunday to have somebody out there that Monday morning. So don't song and dance, because if you want to really get ugly, don't throw back at me. Like you give me the money, let me put the plan together, then you can blame me. But don't tell me I got a voice in the way y'all put that crappy document that ain't worth the paper it's written on. That is bull. Okay? Because don't piss me off. Because that is bull. Because you know what? I kept off the TV hoping you'd do what you're supposed to do, and you haven't done it. So kiss my ass. You know what? That's bull. You're a song and dance and you cover up for BP.